In 1.3 kilometers, turn right onto Lauren Harris Square.
Yeah, so now you're okay. You're going to look. There's a whole other route. Now we're going to a whole other section of Toronto we don't ever go into. I don't think you've ever driven down here, have you ever?
No.
We're now like in the bowels of Toronto, people.
I'm sure I have driven here in my million years living here, but not familiar with me.
Ooh, a little reggae beat, yes.
There you
In 1 kilometer, turn right onto Lauren Harris Square.
It's a good ways down. Oh, we're going through that whole new development.
go. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Down
this
there?
was something we did when we were early in the pandemic.
You went
When we
from-
would travel and
and-
walk everywhere.
Oh, you
right?
drive and park and then walk
Yeah,
around.
yeah. And then we stopped coming to this end. I don't know why, but I guess we got busier or something.
Oh, so we weren't at so much lockdown anymore.
As now, yeah, that's true. Yeah. Everybody's talking about that now. Like it's sort of all the news stuff that it's like here we are in 3 years. Oh, that's why, of course. It's 3 years. 3-year anniversary.
That's right. This is the time of year when everything locked down.
Yeah. It's interesting. It's like people who actually study pandemics and we're talking about how it has these natural phases to it. Yeah.
Go past these lights, then at the next set, turn right onto Lauren Harris Square.
Maybe that's what I have.
What?
Like
Long COVID?
Yeah, because I can't remember anything anymore. It's very disturbing.
Turn right, then bear left.
He's doing right there, yeah, but we're gone. Don't start. Keep going. He should rearrange us. If not, he'll start to yell at us.
In 1 kilometer, turn left onto Parliament Street.
That's what I find.
Yeah.
It's so fun.
Canary District. Oh,
So
look,
much
we're
more
down
fun
here.
here.
This
I
is the
like it.
neighborhood. I've never been down here.
Oh,
I've
this
always
is
seen
where
it
we
from
came,
whatever.
Yeah, and there's
And
actually
you walked all the way through here?
Yeah, and we looked at fish that were in a little pond,
Turn right here, just go right.
and then they also have these like. There's a really great swim center, but that might have been. There's a lot of neat stuff out here actually.
Oh, this is kind of like a cool. Is that the Canary District?
Maybe I don't know. Here.
Oh, here? Tannery? Yeah.
And aren't these fabulous looking, at least from the outside?
Yeah, they look like they'd be okay inside too. Funky and hip. They're kind of hipster kind of places.
Except I don't really. And
I
those
think-
actually do have real
And I think
balconies.
down here they've done the mixed income community.